लाइक ब्रो तू ये क्यों करती है, ब्रो तू ऐसा क्यों करती है. एंड शी मेड मी फील वेरी बैड कि यार तूने ये बोल दिया. So currently, I am reading a book called Good Vibes, Good Life. This book is by Vex King, and I have read like थोड़े से ही पेजेस, 10-12 ही पेजेस मैंने रीड किए हैं. और कल मैंने रीड किया कि वहाँ ऐसे लिखा था लाइक वाइब्रेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. लाइक आपके लोगों के वाइब्रेशंस कैसे हैं उस पर आपका मूड, आपका मेंटल हेल्थ, आपका बिहेवियर और आपका उस बिहेवियर पे रिस्पॉन्स, लाइक बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैटर करती है. तो देयर वाज वन लाइन कि इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग लो, अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, अगर आपको डीमोटिवेटेड लग रहा है, तो बी अराउंड people who are like motivated enough to encourage you, to inspire you, and to tell you that they are on your back. And it is so nice because हमें लगता है that मतलब company doesn't matter if like someone is if someone belongs from a poor family, or their background is not as good enough, their background is not like their parents, if their parents are not educated, they are not supportive, we think it's not the big deal, but in real life it is. So there is a quote that you are like average of 5% in your life, and it happens when like if you are hanging out with the mentality of like poor mentality of people, your mentality will be the same. So, and if you are hanging out with like some good people who have goals in their life, who have dreams, who want to achieve something, who are ambitious, you will literally be like, if you are hanging out with 4% like this, you will be the next 5. And same goes for negative people. Like I have realized it, like there was a girl in my office, she always used to criticize me, like bro तू ये क्यों करती है, bro तू ऐसा क्यों करती है. And if I done something right, तो like bro ये तू कर सकती है because you have these चीज़ें and I do not have these चीज़ें, ऐसा. And she always used to criticize me, she always used to question me कि हाँ ऐसा क्यों. And but I have realized कि she was so bad, and whenever she was talking to me, I was not feeling well. Like I was, and sometimes like मैं ऐसी हूँ कि मैं कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ, मैं इतना नहीं सोचती हूँ बोलने से पहले, मैं मुंह में जो आता है मैं बोल देती हूँ. और like I sometimes I just told some चीज़ें to my colleagues and she made me feel very bad कि यार तूने ये बोल दिया और मैं तो ये कभी नहीं बोलती. एंड आई वॉज लाइक मैंने इतना सोचा ही नहीं बोलने से पहले. आई एम लाइक दिस, मतलब आई वॉज चिलिंग, लाइक मैंने किसी को कुछ बुरा नहीं बोला था, आई वॉज जस्ट चिलिंग. एंड ऐसे मजाक मजाक में आई टोल्ड देम, बट शी वॉज लाइक वेरी रूड टू मी. एंड like I was talking about the book called Good Vibes, Good Life. Like there is a thought ki you vibrate on the same level of the people around you. So if you really want to grow, to get something, to achieve something, to be like billionaire, millionaire in your life, be with the people who are actually working hard for that. If you think कि okay मेरे पास friends नहीं है, I will sit in my room, I will read books, I will read podcasts, yeah you can do that, but hanging out with those people is really effective. Obviously you can watch them on the podcast, on the like their interviews, watch them online, but if you can make those kind of people to stay with you, it will be like you will get the success 2x faster. So yeah, like people around us really matters because we vibrate on the same level they do. So always remember, if there are some people who are like negative about you, who are not supporting you, who are like not happy for you, do not entertain them. Once, like Priyanka Chopra said, uh, two people are enough. Like if you have two people who love you, who supports you, who care for you, or who are genuinely happy for you, these two people are much better than like 200 people who came at your party criticizing you that okay, this like you done this you have done like this right and this wrong. Do not do this. Cut down these people from your life. You will be happier, you will be more active, more confidence, and more focused for your goals.